So it's pretty today. We had a storm last night. It blew the roof off of a shed off the house behind me last night. It was off in the yard. All right, I'll bring you back. We're on the interstate now, so we're out riding around. Turn it on. That little light on in the back. Yeah. It is so pretty down through here, y'all. These hills of Tennessee. All right, we have got to our destination. This is the Loveless Cafe. We're going to eat here, and I'll bring you back when we get inside. All right, we've already checked in at the whole restaurant. It said be about 35-40 minutes before we can eat, but this is it. Loveless Cafe, and this is the biscuits that they brought us before they brought us our dinner. And how many? 10,000. They make 10,000 biscuits every day. That's how famous this restaurant is. All right, I've got my dinner. I've got country fried steak with gravy. I've got fried okra and mashed potatoes, and I've got my sweet tea, and then I've got this, but this is the Loveless Cafe. Alright, I'll bring you back later. Alright, this is a little shop here at the Loveless Cafe that we come in here to get some jam, and they've got different things. And here's some jam and preserves that they've got. They've got some signs. And they've got shirts. Look at the pillows. They've got honey and sorghum. I've got some sorghum from them at home in the cabinet. And they've got ice cream. Thank you guys so much. And here's a sign they've got. They made it just there we go. Y'all let us know if you have any questions about anything. They got Goo candy bars. They got drinks. I get these right here. This sign up there, the Loveless Cafe Motel. later. Those are pretty. Alright, we're sitting out here in Loveless Cafe. We went into the shop and we're sitting here in front of the shop just resting. But the Lovelyz Cafe is right over there. They got a flagpole with the flag on it. But it is so pretty. You can see the clouds. Got a little bitty clouds, but it's beautiful out here today. I'll bring you back later. There it is.